In this tutorial, we'll learn how to set up your child's first handbrake. Often, the excitement of getting a new bike quickly turns to disappointment when your child tries to use it, only to find the lever is too hard to pull and is too far from the handlebar. On most children's bikes, this is easy to fix. For this job, you'll most often need a 10mm wrench to adjust the brake cable bolt, and a small metric Allen key or Phillips screwdriver for the lever's reach adjustment. When adjusting cables, it also makes things a lot easier if you have a fourth-hand cable puller. We'll assume your brake pivot and pads are already adjusted as explained in the side pull caliper tutorial. Search the site for how to adjust side pull caliper brakes. First, you'll need to loosen off your brake cable bolt. You don't need to remove it completely. This will allow you to adjust the brake lever's reach. On the lever, you should see a screw or bolt on the inside close to the handlebar. This is the reach adjustment screw. As you turn this screw, you'll notice the lever move closer to the handlebar grip. Turn it just enough so your child can easily reach the lever, but not too far, as it still needs to be able to move enough to pull the brake. Now readjust and tighten your brake cable. This is where the fourth hand tool comes in handy, as it will grip and pull the cable for you while you tighten the bolt. Once the reach is set up and the brakes are working, your child may find the lever is close enough but hard to pull. This is caused by high spring tension on the back of the brake caliper. To relieve some of this tension, you can push the spring in toward the wheel on both sides. I use an old screwdriver that I've ground down to have a concave end just for this purpose, so it doesn't slip and gouge my knuckles. Push just enough so it gives a tiny bit. You don't want to push the springs too much, as they still need some tension to pull the brakes back outward.